Just we discussed about the universal indicator. Now, to find out whether the given solutions, the concentration, whether it is an strong or weak, we have to use pH scale. Now, this pH is very important in our daily life. So, we'll discuss with a few points how it useful. The importance of pH in everyday life. First, here are animals and the plants pH is sensitive, means here aquatic animals are the plants. If you take the aquatic animals are living by taking the oxygen which is dissolved in the water, by taking of that oxygen that animals are surviving. So and see, and if you take water, this pH value of water is neutral, either it comes under 7 or more than 6, in between, it comes under the neutral only. Neutral means it is not an acidic and it does not comes under basic. And you know about the acidic rains. So in that, what is the meaning of acidic rains? Here acidic rains means that rain contains acidic nature, that rainwater contains acidic nature, and that water is having the pH of less than 5.6. that water contains pH values less than 5.6. So when less than 5.6 means it comes under acidic nature only. So that's why we'll call that water as, or the rainwater we'll call it as acid rain. And these rains, when such acid rains are that water flows in rivers and streams like that, then it changes the nature of the water. Already whatever the water is there, this acid rains changes the characteristics of that water. Characteristics means nature of the water. pH values means that it changes some acidic. Due to that, acidic means what? For the survival of the aquatic animals in the water, it should be neutral. But when acid rains, that water mixes in that, then the water nature is changing, and because of acidic nature, acidic character of that water, it is very difficult to survive in the water that animals or plants. Next, you know about familiar with the tooth decays. Generally those are eating chocolates, sweets more. If you observe, they have this, they are facing this tooth decay problem. See, our teeth having enamel, and this enamel is made up of calcium phosphate. What is that? Calcium phosphate. It is very hardest substance in our body. That calcium phosphate is a very strongest substance. Even it does not dissolve in the water, but it decay when, if the pH value, it decays, and the tooth decay you can get when the pH of the solution is less than 5.5. So for example, if without cleaning the mouth properly, without brushing your mouth properly, teeth, you get this tooth decay problem. How does that tooth decays? Whatever the food particles after eating, if you will not clean your teeth, the food particles are sticking to the teeth, whether it is a sweet or any food particle, and they stick on to the teeth, and after 2-3 days a bacteria is formed on that food particle, and that bacteria what is that, to split that food particle into the minute particle, it releases some acids. The bacteria, it releases some acids. So due to that acids, our tooth becomes decay. So to avoid this tooth decay problem, we should take care of of paste which contains a base, and you must brush you must brush your teeth twice, and next, after eating any food item, you should do water wash the mouth. Next, coming to that, pH of the digestive system. pH of the digestive system. Generally, some are facing the indigestion problems, and due to this indigestion problem, sometimes they may get the gases either through the mouth or some other parts. So when the gases are releasing from the mouth, they will get some burning sensation in the stomach. They will get the burning sensation in the stomach. Why? Here, in our stomach, to digest the food, our stomach releases some acids. That acid is hydrochloric acid. Actually, hydrochloric acid comes under a strong acid, but our stomach releases hydrochloric acid and it does not harm to our body. This hydrochloric acid is useful to digest our food items or food. Sometimes, due to some reasons, our stomach releases excess of hydrochloric acid. Due to that, you may get the burning sensation in the stomach. So, to reduce this problem, this burning sensation is caused the release of excess of acids. So, to minimize or to subside this pain, you have to take a tablet which contain a base, because in our stomach acids are there. If you take a base in the form of the tablet or the tonic, acid and base neutralizes, and you will not get pain and you can subside from the pain. So that tablet or familiars or antacid tablets are milk of magnesia. It contains magnesium hydroxide. It is a mild base. Next, and you can do one more activity. What is that? You take one tissue and you take hydrochloric acid. To this hydrochloric acid, just you add synthetic indicators, that is methyl orange. Then as methyl orange in acidic medium, it changes to red color. So to this red color solution, if you add either magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia, or an antacid tablet, just you dissolve in that solution, then it becomes colorless and you will get neutral. You will not get any color. Colorless means when you will get in the neutral only, you will get the colorless. So like this you can find out. Next, other one is, the fourth point is the pH of the soil. So pH is used in the cultivation also. Means from the different places you collect different soils. And you take the different test tubes, and in that test tubes you take the soil and take some quantity of water and shake it, mix it, and you filter it. Then you will get the solution of the soils. That soils you take it, and by using the universal indicator, the pH scale, just you test it. Then you can find out whether the nature of the soil, whether the soil is having acidic nature or basic nature or what type. Based on that, the farmers, they can cultivate the crops. By seeing the nature of the soil, they can choose the crop and they will use for the fertilizing crops. Here, suppose if a soil is having acidic or basic, they will add either calcium, quicklime or calcium carbonate. They will mix in the soil and they will choose, according to that, they will choose the crops. Like that, pH is very, very important in our daily life. And one more example is honeybee. When honeybee stings, you will get severe pain, horrible. You cannot bear it sometimes. Why? Because that honeybee sting, when honeybee stings, it releases an acid. It releases an acid. Due to that acid, strong acid, we may get a burning sensation. We get a burning sensation. To avoid this pain, you must take a base. That base is in the form of you can take bases or any mild base like sodium carbonate, baking soda, like we have. They are mild bases. So with that you can apply on that areas, then you can subside from the pain. Or otherwise, if you, and one more in Telugu we'll call Durdaguntaku, we'll call it. Or otherwise the leaves of the nettle plants. Here I wrote it. The stinging hair of the leaves of the nettle plant, when it injects to our body, we will get a severe pain. And they too release some acid. That acid is methanoic acid or formic acid. That stinging hair of a nettle plant releases methanoic acid or formic acid. Due to that, we get severe pain, burning sensation. To avoid to subside from this pain, we have to use the leaves. You have to apply, rub in those areas wherever you have the burning sensation. In that areas, you have to take the dock plants, that leaves of the dock plants, just you must rub near that areas, then you can subside from that pains. Like this we can use in our daily life this pH. It is very important. Thank you.